Much of the talk around generative AI is centered around OpenAI, but there is another fast-growing player in that space who wants a much bigger piece of that pie. Perplexity AI CEO Aravind Srinivas joins us now. His company ramping up its efforts now to take on Google and others in search and advertising. Aravind, welcome. It's good to see you and welcome you to our program.
Thank you so much for having me here, Scott. Great to be here.
So you have some new features that you're introducing today, which you think will give users better and more targeted search results, correct? And also deliver them faster. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, 100%. So today we launched our internal knowledge search. So we want Perplexity to be the central knowledge base and research platform for everybody. And when people do their research at work, they're not only requiring research for the data that is already out there on the internet, on the web. A lot of research is about like due diligence documents or stuff that's particularly relevant to the company that you acquired in a proprietary way and storing within your internal knowledge base. And today there exists no one tool where you can do consolidated centralized research on both these data sources, the web and your internal company proprietary data together, and use both of these for answering your questions or like doing your due diligence or like deciding which companies to invest in, all those sort of decisions that you do on a day-to-day basis. There doesn't exist one single tool to do all of it together. And so far, the technology stack for external search and internal search have been pretty fragmented. They're very different. They're completely different tools, and you have to like keep moving around data everywhere. It's very inconvenient to do all this. But with the advent of AI, like generative AI, large language models, multi-step reasoning, tool use, it's almost like every single source of data is just like another API call or a data API call or an integration. And these models can decide like what to use when for depending on your query you ask. And then we're able to bring it all together in one platform through Perplexity. And that's our announcement today.
Do you know what I think is really interesting for our viewers and those who work in the financial services industry is that you're specifically targeting financial services as your largest vertical here. Tell me what benefit that's going to be to those who are either in the financial services industry who are watching now and who are going to use these tools, or for the viewers who are investing in the market and who are going to be better off by virtue of the tools that will be used by financial services professionals.
100%. So before today's launch, we also broadened the ability to query all the stocks on the market, get news relevant to any particular stock, or like search over related stocks and like look into the 13 EPs filed by big institutional funds. All that data is already being brought onto Perplexity for just generic financial searches. And now you have the ability to like take all your internal data and search over the web. So if you are deciding if you want to like invest in a particular company and you have all your diligence documents prepared by your analysts, and you want to take that and also query the web based on what people on the web are talking about that company and come up with an aggregated summary and highlights and like what you need to do and like depending on your portfolio of your fund, should you go and invest in this particular stock? Does it have the right risk-reward ratio? You can ask these sort of questions. And these decisions are worth like several millions or even billions of dollars. So it's completely worth like using a tool to like get you more clarity, right? And we're also going to bring in third-party data integrations, Crunchbase, PitchBook, FactSet. These are all the kind of like data sources that we're looking into and trying to get that also onto Perplexity so that you also get a sense of what the private markets are investing in, not just the public markets.
Interesting. I mean, obviously, we're very familiar with all of those. I mentioned at the outset, I sort of framed this about your company in part. You think that Google is vulnerable in search and advertising. Do you think that the duopoly that's existed between Alphabet and Meta truly is finally cracking and that you can have a place in that conversation that's meaningful?
100%. So it's all about what the consumers are doing, right? Consumers earlier used to go to search engines or social platforms, and that's where advertisements were served to them. Now consumers are increasingly shifting to more AI-native apps. So there's a new consumer behavior of asking questions and getting answers. Not just typing in keywords into a search engine and like getting referred to another link. So that consumer behavior is growing while the existing consumer behavior of like just typing in a few keywords has sort of saturated. So whenever you have a new consumer behavior that's on the increasing trend, it's always lucrative for advertisers to figure out how to like be part of that and try to figure out a way to get users' attention in a very different way than what was possible before. And every single query on Perplexity on average has 10 to 11 words. Every query on Google has like 2 to 3 words. So you have way higher intent for every query, and the user is like able to ask much more targeted questions, which makes it even more easy for the advertiser to get the right user for their product.